16 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just start 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. 3 goes into 1 how many times? 3 goes into 1 0 times, as 1 is less than 3. 0 times 3, 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 1, bring down this 6. 3 goes into 16 how many times? 6 times 18, 5 times 15, right? 5 times 5 times 3 15. Subtract 1. Okay, so our answer is 0 5 means 5, remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then convert this whole number into decimal. Take decimal, then you can add any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 4 times 12, which is greater, so 3 times. 3 times 3 9. Subtract 1, bring down another 0. 3 goes into 10 again 3 times. 3 times 3, that gives us 9. Subtract 1, bring down another 0. 3 goes into 10 again 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. You can bring down more 0, but since we have gotten 3 digit after decimal, we can place 3 dot. So 5.333 dot 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 is our answer. You can place a bar over 3. Okay, this means that 3 is repeating.